welcome back to my YouTube channel Easy Engineering 64. Today we are going to discuss about the fixed questions and important questions also for mathematics. Okay, for mathematics, CSE stream. It's a third semester. Okay, after this subject code, you can see the all the subject who are having these subjects. You can see the this one video only. If you see the full video, I can definitely tell you 95 plus marks going to come on your V2U exams, upcoming February exams. These questions only going to come fixed questions. These are the just refer this. Okay, before going to the video, who are not subscribed till now, just subscribe and also watch the full video because I will be modifying and upgrading the some of the questions in middle of the video. So don't skip the video and please try to see the full video. Okay, let's go into the video. In model 1, let's see the model 1. In model 1, I can definitely tell 20 out of 20 which are the difficult model. Also I will say, I will tell you who want to the pass. I will upload the video for them 2.0. I will upload the video before 1 2 days exams. Who are want to just pass, no need to see this video because I will upload before 2 days exam on video 2.0. Okay, who want to score 95 plus marks, just see now the video. Okay, let's see the random variable x has then a following probability density of the value of x. So okay, this equation, uh, in this sum I will explain this also in some of the separate questions. I will explain this. Okay, next videos I will upload tomorrow only. Okay, in this video nothing you should know. We should find out the k and k plus 1. After that, a formula application, that's it. This is the easiest question. This two also distribution value of x. See the same questions will be there, but same concept but different equation, that's all. But same question only same. Okay, 10 marks or a 7 marks series. Okay, into these two questions, one question is going to come on your exams. It's my guarantee. Okay, after that you should mainly understand this. Find the value of x, and p of x is lesser than is equals to 5, and p of x is lesser than equals to also x is lesser than equals to 6. So you should everything you should understand. Okay, guys. Okay, after that, and derive the mention the various variants of Poisson distribution. It will be more important questions. Okay, in these two questions, binomial distribution and Poisson distribution. In these two questions, we are going to get one question definitely. Why? Because it's the backbone of the model. Theory parts only two questions are there. So this, I think you'll get Poisson distribution. I will say 2 also. Not now. Just read the two questions. In these two questions only going to come for your exams. After that, let me change the pen color. Okay, yellow is better. In certain town, duration of a shower of the experimental, see the less than the 10 minutes, more than the 10 minutes, between the 10 minutes. Okay, I just for bracket I have put it there. No need to worry about that. It's not included in questions. Okay, in probability, bad reactions of injection 0.001 and bad reaction ends within a life 5 times, in less than a 5 times. This will be all these questions. Only one single formula it will be applicable, and you should to understand the how to solve this. I will upload the video for how to solve this also. Okay, just a minute. See, I think three questions are enough. These questions are given simply why, because if you want to get 95 plus, right? If you want your guys all to study. Okay, the number of accidents of a taxi driver in cities, it is a more easiest question, like guys. Okay, after that, 800 families, 5 children, 5 boys, at least one by 8. This is also more easiest question. In these four questions, 5 questions, right? In these 5 questions, one question is going to come guarantee in your exams. After 6, 6, 7, 20 marks is have over. You can easily get 20 marks in this module. Only refer this. Okay, I will I will be uploading these sheets in Telegram. Sorry, Insta. You guys can check out that. After that, at the most, two boys assuming the equal probability you all studied in 7th standard. I think it will be more easier to you. Also studied in 9th standard also. It's just simple questions. No need to worry about that. Okay, after that, let's see the model 1. In model 2, let's change the pen color. Let's go with the brown now. The joint probability distribution following, find the EFX and EFY. Uh, you know, it is the most easiest question in this mathematics only. It is the most easy, tricky, and important questions. Okay. After this one also, in these two questions, difference is there. Here, find the EFX and EFY. Here, The exceptions of an x comma y and x and y and c colons in correlation. These two in these two questions after sorry, in these three questions are there, right? In these three questions, one question going to come on your exams. It's a fixed questions. No need to study others questions also. If you can see, joint the joint distribution on the topic only come here. Joint distribution, joint distribution. These three questions are going to appear in one question in your exams. No need to see the other videos, just refer these questions and I will also upload the answer with how to, I will explain how to do the sums also. It is the most easiest, basically easy subject. If you want to worry means worry about the OS operating systems, it is difficult. Okay, after that leaving, show the matrix, regular of a Scottish matrix. This also more important questions. Yeah, if you see this in this module, let's go with the orange. Find the unique fixed probability vector of regular Scottish matrix. This also in these two questions, sorry, three questions will going to come, one questions guaranteely. Okay, this read these three questions, these questions will going to come your own exams. Okay, after that same problem, same problem, but different equations, but method will be same. Just understand the topics. Okay, after that the gambler's luck often follow pattern. The wins. This easiest question you have studied in for internals. I think I uploaded in the WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel also. It's the most easiest question. This also this. And one thing here, ABC scheme, right? A boys of age is throwing on a ball is two either. In some of the model question paper they give instead of XYZ ABC they can give, or 1 2 3 they can give instead of this. So just understand the topic, no not to mug up the topic. Okay, in C the two questions are enough. 1 minute, 1 minute. In C two questions are enough. After that on the question is there something is called Salman's yes, salesman territory consists of three circles ABC are never been two consecutive days of an cells of an. These also more important questions will be happened. Okay, try to read this question also. After that let's go into the model 3. Okay, yeah, in this model in C part we're going to get one fixed questions and B part also. In A part is usually you will get in these three. Okay, 20 marks is happened. After that in model 3, before going to the model 3 who was not subscribed till now, just subscribe now only. Let's change the pen color. Let's take the blue. Define the null hypothesis means what. After that, a statistic standard error means what. Critical region of statistical test means what. You are all everything is studied in internals only. You just want to revise now. Okay. After that, define type 1 error, type 2 error. It's also more important, especially in these two questions. You are going to get in one questions. One question definitely VIP means you should study. Okay, won't just pass in these two questions. Just this study this question. 7 marks is going to come on this. Okay. After that. Disgusting, I think. Why? Because it will be different values they will give every in every time. Okay, the coin was tossed 400 times and the turn turned up the 240 times. Okay, I think you should be everything comfortable in 12th probability. Okay, coin is unbiased at a 5% loss. 324 throws dice in a number 181 times. Same method but different values, that's it. Okay, 5% of level of significance here 1000 times, 520 times is done. Okay, after that 1% of significance here 5%, here 5% of. Okay, after that 5% level of significance. Okay, here 900 times thrown in a 5 to 6. See here how question they gave of 3240 times. Okay, 3240, how to calculate, consider. Okay, in this five questions you're going to come one questions definitely. Read this only. Why? Because leaving these questions no there any questions also. This will be more important question. Yeah, also 7 marks. You get 14 marks. After that in city 20% random of the 900 school boys. It is also more important questions. Means every questions will be similar to each question. Why? Because we are applying just the concept, not the mug upping. Okay, if you mug up I can definitely tell you will going to fail in exam also, I can tell you, but don't to be type a by the questions. Okay, 5% of test of 5% significance level. After that 400 people 500 persons, 400% drinkers, and this also more important, tea drinkers. 600 people are using standard proportion of standard 95% and 99%. This question is more important. Okay, after that 800 families, this is not more important but also study. Why? Because all these are the similar to questions only. Okay, this 1 3 4 5, yeah, consider as a 5 questions. In 5 questions one going to come on an exam, 7 marks. Just to pass, I will tell you one thing. In module 2, in salesman it will be more important. After that you are in model 3, right? In model 3 just refer this questions only, no need to go other subjects, means other videos for important questions. If you seen my first year videos, means you'll not go some other videos, you will be checking my videos only. Height of in a random sample 50 college students showed, in 75 meter, 174 point centimeters, and constructing 99% of confidential limit weight of an at college student. These also more important questions. This also in this question more than a 30 years. Yeah, this also more important question. Just all these questions are, these three questions are asked asked means similar questions only. You want to understand the concept. Okay, concept you want to understand. In three questions I'm going to come on questions. After that let's see the part B. In part B, 10 boys, it will be the more important questions. Why? Because in this the Batman question also come up here. Why? Because in this two types of model question paper gave for the VTU. Okay, in those two type, in module 3, sorry, in module 4, very two different ways they can give an wait, I will show you. See, they can also give in like this Batman A 40, 50, 35. These also more important question but not appeared in exam. But read this only. This also okay. Why? Because it's a safer side. If you want to get the out of 40 in mathematics, you can score it easily. But also read these two questions also. Okay. These two questions also more important will be happen. Read these two after read in last. Okay. Don't read in first one. Okay. After that, read first this B part. Okay. Mm. This equation population, their heights of the inches of the found, individual chosen random population, their heights. Okay, it will be more important questions. Okay, after the consider the sampling in see here, should understand this. Okay, no need to mug up. Last equation should be there, how much you will give the value. Okay, after that four groups are there. In four groups there are four values are doesn't. The experimental support theory is also more important. The main value of n 60 minutes, found the 145 and standard one deviation of 440 and 95% of significance. Okay, in these questions going, one question is going to come on your exams. Okay, sorry, one question is going to come on your exam. 7 14 marks is happened here only. After that C part I have showed you, right? That C part only, that I read that one only. That's it. Especially here only ends. But okay, it's okay. This question only divides into C parts, but also read these 5 questions. Why? Because in part C, if can it can appear. So read this also. Not more important. Also read this. Understand. These are easy questions, guys. Please try to understand. Read. Okay. Okay. Let's go into the module 5. ANOVA questions. I think everyone should read this. Okay, why? Because it is the first. Before, if you're watching till now the video, listen. In module 1 and module 5, 1 5 4 3. You guys read last. Second model you read in last. Okay, you just prefer first and fifth model. Why? Because these two models are more easy. Okay, after that model 4, model 3. Okay, read like that. Okay, the varieties of A, comma B, comma sour. For plots of the following wild per equal acre. These also more important questions. It's the easiest question also I have seen. This in this one ANOVA only come. Okay, ANOVA only one way ANOVA only come. So don't read the two-way ANOVA. Okay, after that. I think here three questions are there. In these three questions only going to come on your exams. After that, fertilizer will be more important questions. Okay, everyone need to read these fertilizers. After 5 weeks, I mean, you want to click the difference between the growth and using on a below upload one way. Zero point 0.0 level of significance. Sorry, this all are I just wrote. It's not required. Question will be like this much only. Yeah, it is a more important, guys. You want to just refer this also. If you understand this one of this question, you can solve it like this. 50 more questions. Okay, it's a topic is more important in one way ANOVA. Okay, after that it will be the more important after a year. One way ANOVA. You just refer the one way. Don't read the two way ANOVA. If you're comfortable, just you can also read two way ANOVA also. In here also not their cat also, but I wrote here. It's okay. Food. 5 weeks of an objective scale the differences of mean height in grams, the rate of per week. Apply the one way ANOVA signal of 0.11 from the following data. Is the more important questions. Everyone read in these three questions. Yes, three questions, right? Yeah, in three questions. One of the question will going to come for your exams. That too in a 10 marks. Okay, 10 marks. Rate these three questions. Okay, these questions only it's enough, guys. Leaving this, no one question is going to come. Sorry for that. I want to put your box, but I forgot it. It's okay. Hmm. Latin square designs. Present your conclusion of the auto doing an ANOVA of the Latin square. In Latin square only will going to come for this part P. Okay. This if you ask anything in third sem and fourth sem, it is the more deadliest topic in it. Okay. After that ANOVA, it is also more important easiest question. If they will give in box also, no need to confuse. Just I forgot to write the box. That's it. Okay. After that, let's go into the understand the one question. If you understand the one question, you can do like this 50 questions. Okay. You should understand the first. After that, let's see, analyze the interrupt in the following statistics of say a comma b comma c and d under the Latin square design. Okay, experimental. This also more important question. It will be the come into our exams. In these two questions, also on two more questions are there. I will show you. Just wait a minute. Here observation. This will be a more important. Also, why? Because I'm telling you, showing some of the questions. Why? Because they can ask in two ways. It will also can come in your exams. So write this also. Mostly read this one B. Don't read that A. Read this. This also more important questions. But here, what will they ask means four plots of any states of a very variety difference of significance. Okay. Therefore, plot of lands given pre-acre production and the level of significance. What to find out in using ANOVA. It will be more important questions. Okay. Just refer this. Okay. After that, let's go into the next question. This question is also more important. In model 1 question paper also is there. This is also more important. Okay, after the observations, this maybe 50-50% chances is there, these questions. I think which are given in PDF means like word document here, 1 2 and these three questions. That's it for enough for to get 20 marks in this module. That's it for video. Who are not subscribed till now, just subscribe, like the button for next videos. I will be uploaded with the question with the answer also. Just be tuned to my channel and join to the Telegram and follow the Instagram. I will be uploading this all these questions in Telegram. Okay, let's go into next video. I will be uploading tomorrow, I think. That's it for video. Thank you for watching.